Let's bridge connections, mastering both and also in English. Hello, learners. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic, using both and also to highlight connections between people. These simple words can truly enhance your communication and help express relationships or similarities more efficiently. Understanding and correctly using both and also will significantly improve your English fluency. Both is a word that we use when we want to refer to two things or people together. Let's look at some examples. 1. John and Mary both like pizza. 2. I both study and work. In these examples, both is used to link the two subjects, John and Mary, or actions, study and work, together, emphasizing that they share a certain attribute or action. It's important to remember that both is always used when referring to two items or people. Also is another word that can help us express connection or similarity. We use also to add more information to the subject or to emphasize a shared attribute or action. Look at these examples. 1. John likes pizza. Mary also likes pizza. 2. I work in a bank. I also study economics. In the first sentence, also shows that Mary shares the same preference for pizza as John. In the second sentence, also emphasizes that studying economics is an additional activity the speaker does apart from working in a bank. Also is usually used with individual subjects and can be used to link more than two items or people. While both and also can sometimes seem interchangeable, they do have distinct uses. Remember, both is used for two items or people, while also is used to add more information about an individual subject and can link more than two items or people. Here's a quick comparison. Both John and Mary both like pizza. Also, John likes pizza. Mary also likes pizza. The first sentence uses both to show that John and Mary have a shared liking for pizza. The second set of sentences uses also to add that Mary, like John, likes pizza. And there you have it. I hope that this explanation of both and also helps you understand how to use these words to highlight connections and similarities in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use both and also in your daily English communication. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and keep improving. Happy learning!